Hello, Dr. Hines here. I'm about to show you the spark test using the oxygen gas. So here's how we're going to make oxygen gas. I've got a little bit of some yeast that you just basically purchase at the store for making bread. I'm going to take some of this yeast, put a little bit in the test tube. Oh, maybe about the size of a volume of a pea here. Maybe a little bit less because I don't want it to be too vigorous of a reaction. So into the test tube it goes. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow it up with some hydrogen peroxide. I purchase this at Walmart or in a grocery store here. So I've already got some hydrogen peroxide in a little beaker here with a little pipette. And I'm going to just squirt basically just going to squirt a whole, more or less kind of a whole pipette full of hydrogen peroxide in there, kind of rinsing it around the rim. And so when I squirt it in there, you can see how it's frothing up inside. Okay, that is the production of oxygen gas. And I'm interested in the gas, not so much the froth. So I'm gonna try to kind of get that froth broken up a little bit so it's more of a tube of just gas and not so much of the frothiness. Because again, I'm gonna have to put a glowing splint in there. All right, I'm ready to give this a try. All right, and so I need a wooden splint that I'm gonna catch on fire here. And basically all I need is just the ember portion of this. All right, so you see the ember portion. Gonna pull out the stopper. And let's see if we can get a good shot of it going into the tube. And there you see it burst into flame. Let me try it one more time. I can even hear it pop a little bit when it goes in there. So there you go. We technically have actually done 3 trials of the spark test with the oxygen gas, so you can record your observations for that. So the spark test is done now, and what we're going to do in the next video is we're going to do what we call a pop test with hydrogen and oxygen.